Here at Computer Central, we offer a wide variety of IT support services to small to mid-sized businesses. Our most popular service is our managed IT services. That's like hiring us as a consultant to take care of all your IT needs so we can be your virtual IT department and handle everything IT related so you don't have to.
Computer Central has been working and maintaining our computer system for over 10 years now. They've done everything from add new servers to add new workstations, any kind of computer upgrades that we have.
Computer Central's been the IT guru, I guess you could call them, since I've been here. I've been here a little over 8 years. They've been very involved in our operations, keeping our computer systems and our accounting software and bid software up to date as we need it.
There's a number of ways that we can assist you. We can either assist you remotely from our office right away when a trouble ticket comes in, and we can remote into your system, take a look, and generally have that issue resolved within a matter of minutes or hours. If you prefer to have an on-site service call, we do that too. We'll come to you, identify the issue that you're having, and determine the best course of action to resolve that issue.
Several years ago, we had a problem with ransomware on our server. Totally crippled us. Computer Central was, I can't say enough, vital is an understatement in getting us back and up and online and working as quickly as he could.
There's been a couple times where we've had our bid software crash. It could be as critical as not being able to submit a bid on a $5 to $6 million project. And Computer Central has been there for us time and time again.
We're electrical contractors, and we like to think that we can fix anything electrical. But in this day and age, it's so complicated. You need an expert, and Computer Central has been vital in keeping us up and running.